how can these cards impact your life? It's just a deck of cards, 78 cards. They've got pretty pictures, pretty much just ink on paper, right? So what are they going to do for your life? There are some power topics that the tarot are known to rule in. So if you're looking for improvements or upgrades in your finances, in your level of health, in your level of sexuality, in your level of confidence and wellness and relationships, these cards trump in these categories. They really give you practical, mundane life tips and insight for you to move through the stuff that's holding you back. And you also will get, in right timing, when it wants to come for you, higher wisdom that is more of a lifelong wisdom. Because the card is actually split into two different categories. There are the more minor, mundane lifestyle happenings, and then there are the universal laws at play. Your life mission, your life purpose, your life challenges. The tarot gives you tools to address both of these, so you can live powerfully and productively and really get a strong sense of satisfaction and clarity about what's going on.